How to update iOS to latest version. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you update iOS to its latest version for your both iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. First, open settings on your iOS. After you open settings, tap on General. From General, tap on Software Update. And from here you can as usual confirm it if you have latest version of iOS on your iOS device or not. If you find any update, tap on the option update to update latest version of iOS on your iPhone. As you can also turn on the automatic update for your iOS device. For that, tap on automatic updates. And from here, as usual, turn on all of the options from here like iOS update, security responses and system files, iOS update. After you turn on all of the options from here, if any updates are available, iPhone or iOS device will automatically notify you on your iPhone. So from that way, you can manually update latest version of iOS. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.